Hi, I'm Sean Edwards, Managing Partner of A+ Lawn and Landscape. With your help and correct lawn treatments, you can have a beautiful lawn like this. There's 5 things that you can do to get that lawn going and really look good. First of all, a light raking. And what that does is get fresh air down to that plant so it has a new fresh breath of air. In the spring, you want to mow it before it needs it. And what that will do is it will stimulate some growth so you can so it will green up sooner. That first time you want to be kind of short so the sun can get down and warm up the soil so it will take off and sprout sooner. Bagging is you should only do it this first time, and that's just to kind of clean it up. The rest of the year you should let the clippings fall because it refertilizes itself organically. Watering, after you've mowed it and raked it and done all these things, one good heavy watering will really warm that soil up too, and it will shoot up and turn green a lot faster. If you have more questions to get that lawn turning green early in the spring, just give us an email or give us a call and we'll be more than glad to answer your questions.